Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 16.3 dual per beta if it is not showing on iPhone. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, open up Safari and then search for beta profile.dev and then scroll down, tap on this install profile. Tap on install and then tap on allow and then close it. Go back to the home screen and then open up settings app. As you can see guys, is profile downloaded. Tap on this and then tap on this install. Give your iPhone password and then tap on install. Again tap on install and then tap on that now. Tap on done and close this page and then tap on settings. Scroll down, tap on journal and then tap on software update. As you can see guys, it's iOS 16.3 dual per beta. It's showing and download install. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. You have any problem, tell me in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.